Good evening, my people. How una dey? Today I wan just show una how I take dey make my mixed vegetable swallow. This pot that you are seeing here, I just put mixed vegetable, and how I take get the vegetable, and now that is already sliced vegetable wey I just buy. E dey inside packet like this. I just buy am and I pour am inside the pot. As you can see, all kinds of vegetable dey, about different types of 5 different types of vegetable na dey here. So I'll just put am for inside pot like this, with small water, no be plenty water, because if you too put plenty water you come overdone. So you just put small water like this, then cook am like 5 to 10 minutes. Then after 5 to 10 minutes I will come back to finish the last process of my vegetable swallow. Stay tuned. My people, I think una see, after I don cook the vegetable for like 5 to 10 minutes, na like this e go be. So the next thing when I wan do now na for me to blend am. One thing, you fit blend this vegetable with your blender or with this hand blender, but the only thing be say if you blend am with blender you need to add much water. But if you blend am with hand blender like this, you no need water, you just blend well. So make una follow me as I show una the last process. I hope una dey see the outcome of that vegetable when I blend. Na so e come be. You fit use any vegetable of your choice. Then you fit use cabbage, you fit use eggplant, you fit use zucchini, you fit use carrot, you fit use broccoli, you fit use cauliflower. Any vegetable of your choice is okay. Even green beans, spinach, you fit use am. So now I have to put it on fire. Na just the final process na be this one now. You suppose na I use blender take blend am, if for dey watery pass this one, but as e be say na that hand blender na I take blend am, e no dey watery. So if you know say your own dey watery, maybe na because say na blender you use, you have to turn am very well, make you make sure say the water e dry small before you add this powder, because this powder na the powder wey you need to take add to am for am to become strong, as our amala, as our semo dey strong. So na the work of this powder be that. If you know say you live for Italy and you wan get this powder, send me message and I will share you the link of how you go fit take order this powder online. If you still dey for big city, I believe say this powder you fit still get am, because some people dey tell me say they see am buy for some pharmacy, but for where me I dey, I no dey see am buy for pharmacy, so I have to buy it online. So very soon now I will add the name is psyllium husk. So very soon I will add 1 spoon of psyllium husk to thicken the swallow. And at the same time, you can also use ogbolo to replace the psyllium husk. But as for me, I have not used the ogbolo once. I have never used the ogbolo. If you feel like you can't get this one, go for the ogbolo and it will still be fine. Nothing I say don't they join together now. Nothing I say don't they join together. E no come be as e be before. So now the work of this powder be that. Now the work of this powder be that. Without this powder, e no go fit onto the swallow when me and you want. You no go fit eat am. But just a tablespoon of this in 1 minute or so, it go just touch the swallow. Just see the outcome now. See as e be. I hope una don see the outcome of my vegetable swallow. It just be like amala. So all I need to do now is to put am for cellophane. That is to tie am for like 10 minutes or so. Make it for cool down. Once it cool down, my vegetable swallow done ready. If you dey try to lose weight, or you dey fear because of stomach, your stomach big, and you know say na semo pounded yam na dey make am dey big. Here na this thing na one thing when you fit still change your that's your swallow, your semo swallow, and you go still enjoy your meal. As you can see, this is my semo, this is my amala, this is my vegetable swallow. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.